What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Mauto, and today we'll be going over how to add a new payment method, or how to generally add payment method to your Binance account. Okay, so I'm already in Binance. You head over to the top left corner, the avatar in the top left corner. Tap on that, and then here we have tax center reward pay. We are going to head over to payment method. Okay, so we have P2P settings, P2P payment methods. So we're going to click on that, and then below, as you can see, I've already added one payment method, that is my MTN mobile money. So we click down below, add new payment method. And then here Binance gives you a whole variety of banks and different means, payment gateways through which you can buy and sell or make payment for your crypto in Binance. Here I'm just going to search for EcoBank. I want to add my EcoBank here. No, this is a different one. Okay, just tap on EcoBank. Okay, guys, so here my name is already in Binance, so it loads it for me according to how it has been saved. All I need is my bank account number, which I happen not to know of it. I don't know how many people keep that, so I just place it here. So you briefly copy your account number, head over back, paste that in here. Okay, and then we hit confirm. So yes, you are going to be sent a verification code any moment from now. Let me hit send code. Okay, so we wait for the verification code, which will be sent to my number. Tap on it and submit. Okay, so there you go, guys. Very simple way of adding a new payment method to your Binance account. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get informed anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.